Butternut squash, often called butter squash, is a nutrient-dense winter squash with a sweet, nutty flavor. It offers a wide range of health benefits. A cup of cooked butternut squash has about 80 calories. Packed with vitamins A, C, E, and several B vitamins. Provides minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. Very high in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber lowers cholesterol and promotes healthy arteries. Antioxidants reduce inflammation in blood vessels. High vitamin C content supports immune defense. Beta-carotene strengthens the body's ability to fight infections. High in dietary fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy and prevents constipation. Fiber also promotes fullness, helping with portion control and weight loss. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant protection. Beta-carotene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants help fight oxidative stress. May lower the risk of chronic conditions such as cancer and type 2 diabetes. Despite its slightly sweet taste, butternut squash has a low glycemic load. Fiber slows sugar absorption, making it a good choice for people managing diabetes. Butternut squash is a powerhouse vegetable, great for your eyes, heart, digestion, and immune system, while also being weight-friendly and packed with antioxidants.